We back. What, a week and a day? No, a week and 2 days? 2 weeks.
I'm just here.
Well, whatever. We here. Okay, so now it's time to revamp this look. We're not gonna take the button off just now. We're gonna wait. So if you are back and you've seen part 1, thank you, welcome back. And if you haven't seen part 1, we're gonna link that up here somewhere. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so we decided to add some color to this part 2 video because we wanted to see how the Julia hair would take color. So as you can see, it is processing. The color did turn out really pretty. I think I might have left the bleach on for about 15 minutes, but this chocolate brown is just gorgeous. It's giving me like honey chocolate brown. I think it's perfect for the fall, so it was perfect for this video. We then went ahead and blow dried the hair, as you will see in the next clip. So just stay tuned, watch me slay. We're going for this sleek ponytail with crimps. So if you are interested in watching that, please stay tuned to this video. Give me a thumbs up on this video and make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. And of course, make sure you're subscribed to the gang. Come on, man. Go on and subscribe. As y'all can see, my model is silly. Like I said, if you've seen that first video, then of course you've seen a little bit of her personality. So shout out to my girl Q. And I'll link her Instagram name in the description box so you guys can follow her because she is a bomb makeup artist. So again, right here in this clip, the hair has been blow dried and now it's time to slay. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just gonna let y'all watch me slay and work. So I'm out. I do want to mention that I did ask her how the hair was doing over the course of having it in. She did mention that she had minimum shedding, and I expected her to have some because we did cut the tracks. And also when she came in, of course you'll see in the beginning she had the bundle on, and she was stating that she had not touched her hair or none that day, so it did have just like a little bit of tangle to it, but it was easy to detangle. So that's just an update on the hair. Overall, it was easy to work with. I didn't have any problems with it. And as you can see, when I get finished, it's gonna look really good. So that's just a small update on the hair, but just keep watching because we're getting there. Y'all, clearly y'all can see I'm dancing, but the music was loud and we was straight vibing. Then I said, friend, teach me how to do the whoa. Hey, whoa. I can't dance to save my life, but whatever. She's a dancer, so I had to, try her up one time. But yeah, nothing major. Let's get back to the video. flat that quick weave is. Stop playing, baby. Sleek ponytail wear. Right there, duh. Yes, ma'am. It's popping. It's popping. Don't tell me it's not. Watch this profile. Ooh. So I did take up a little bit of the ORS olive oil spritz gel. Oh my God. Like, when I say this is something that I've been wrote down in my journal to do, because I hate edge control. I just feel like it does not work. And if you agree with me, drop a comment. Like, they came up with something when they made this. I'm just saying. Like, okay, I'm gonna shut up. Those crimps are looking so nice. Honestly, I think it's the mixture of the color and the crimps. This is such fall vibes. This is so pretty to me. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm in love. I'm in love. If you're in love, just drop a comment. Look at Mally. That's her baby boy. This is so pretty. And here are the finished results. We are here in Julia Hair 30-inch bundles, 3 quick weave in a ponytail with custom color, a honey brown for the fall. How do we do? Drop your comment. I'm waiting. The first 20 comments. What's up? I gotta see them. Yes, it's a look. As you can see, the ponytail and the 30 inches are hitting right where they supposed to.
You just want to hear yourself talk at this point. Oh.
If you have clicked on this video, then you already know. Just go ahead and subscribe just because he's so cute. He just...
That is not cute, sir.
It's the ponytail for me.
You see what I'm saying?
Oh, so y'all stay tuned for this look.